Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shivaburam. Today I will show you how to make classic Caesar salad. Caesar salad is classic. Normally we are making normal lettuce, but today I will show you in a different way. I have here Roman lettuce. I already washed this and I check it inside. There is no any vitamin. Now I will cut this lettuce 1 by 2. I put in my mixing bowl. Whatever we are making, we need seasoning. So I will season my lettuce with salt, little bit of black pepper and olive oil. I will season all the lettuce, then I'll put it in the grill. As you can see, my lettuce already grilled in one side. I will just turn it. I want to do other side also. I want to give nice smoky flavor. Just little bit of oil. As you can see, my Roman lettuce already nicely grilled. I will not do more than this, otherwise my lettuce will burn. Now I will take out from the grill, then I will leave it in the side. As I said, this is smoky Caesar salad, so my lettuce is ready here. Now I will show you how to make Caesar dressing. I have here mayo. I will mix here all the mayo. This is around 200 gram. And this is garlic pomori. I will put 1 spoon of garlic pomori here. And this is grated Parmesan cheese. I'll put 1.5 spoon. And this is anchovy paste. And I have anchovy here also. This is for garnish. And I have lemon juice. I'll put it 1 tablespoon of lemon juice here. And this is Worcestershire sauce. And I'll mix all the mixture. I will not add salt in the beginning because I already add their Worcestershire sauce. Now I will check seasoning in the dressing. I will add little bit of salt and more anchovy and little bit of Parmigiano. I'll mix all the mixture together. As you can see, my Caesar dressing is ready. My dressing is ready. Now I will do the plating. I will show you in a 2 different way. Now this is the time to plating my smoky classic Caesar salad. I will add here 3 spoon of dressing. Then I will mix all the dressing together. And I'll put just little bit of Parmesan cheese here. One piece of crouton. A little bit of anchovy. And little bit of Parmesan chef. And my classic smoky Caesar salad is ready. This is the classic, and I will make another same salad. I will make in a different way. Just stay connected. I will show you the. As you can see, I plate this Caesar salad in the normal way. Now I will cut this lettuce, and I will show you the another and presentation. I'll cut my lettuce. I'll remove the root part. I will use just the lettuce. Instead of the grilling, we can use the normal lettuce also. I don't want to waste, so I'll use this. I will add just little bit of more dressing here inside the lettuce. I have another plate here. I hope it will look more colorful and attraction. I already put my lettuce in the bowl, and the same crouton I keep it here.
Hi Jeff, how are you? Hello. Jeff,
And I add little bit of
I mentioned no book.
grated Parmesan here, more, and I'll add little bit anchovy on the top of the salad, and some Parmesan chef. All around the salad. So my smoky Caesar salad is ready. If you like my recipe and video, please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe and bye bye.
See you.